Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa! What do you think about that?
Whoa, that's really bright.
Is there two of them?
Well, there's that one. That's his. Look at this. You can change the light too. Watch this. When it's on, you can twist this. Look at the light. That's getting narrower. You can make it change shape. So it gets brighter in one spot if you want. Alright.
Cool.
And this one has a battery, an extra battery in it, and a charger. We'll help you keep up with that. This will go in your
What
pack.
the heck is this thing?
This is a battery adapter.
You think you can handle that flashlight?
Is that a good flashlight?
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
By the fun he's having, I guess it is.